Rudy Poo Candy Ass.
Today's candy ass is Judge Aileen Cannon. Now, obviously you know why I'm putting her as a candy ass. This woman, not too long ago, appointed a special master to review the government documents seized from Donald Trump's Mar-a-Lago home. But she didn't do it for the law. She didn't do it for justice. She didn't do it to make sure the FBI's and DOJ's ducks were in a row. She did it for two reasons. Not legal, not patriotic, two personal reasons. Obviously, she's a Donald Trump appointed judge, appointed weeks before Donald Trump left office. So the immediate appearance of impropriety screams cover up. But the two reasons I'm talking about is that the first reason, she, in her opinion, in her order, said she was trying to prevent reputational harm to Donald Trump. Reputational harm. Reputational harm. Donald Trump's reputation has been destroyed more times than anyone in this entire country can possibly count. I mean, we are talking about a person who said he can grab women by the pussy because he's famous. We are talking about a man who said, I can shoot someone in Fifth Avenue. His words, I can shoot someone in Fifth Avenue and not lose any votes. We are talking about a man, for the 4 years of his presidency, has shown absolutely no real leadership, no reunification. A man who saw the flood in Houston, Texas and said, wow, golly, it's 100,000-year flood. Good luck. Who did next to nothing during the COVID pandemic, but tried to take personal and complete credit for a vaccine he did not help to create, but did absolutely everything to destroy and undermine the scientific research during it. Who destroyed his reputation and continues to destroy his reputation by going online, going on his Truth Social, continually to scream that the 2020 election was stolen from him, when we just seen evidence that Donald Trump's people were the ones trying to steal the election, continuously scream that somehow the election should be reversed and Donald Trump should be reappointed as president. Judge Cannon, no, I'm not going to call you judge. I'm not going to give you that respect because you're not a judge. You're nothing more than a good old-fashioned whore for Donald Trump. Which brings me to the second reason. Now, this woman, in case everyone doesn't know, actually applied to become a Supreme Court justice, the highest court in this country. She actually wrote an application to become the next Supreme Court justice, and she's banking on whether or not Donald Trump is reelected in 2024 or Ron DeSantis, since the two of them are good friends. Let's just bring it out of there. She's trying to be a Supreme Court justice and wants to use either Ron DeSantis or Donald Trump to get there. So, in her sick, twisted mind, she thinks if I help Donald Trump, he'll help me, knowing full well that Donald Trump is going to screw her. And I don't mean the screwing as in making love in the backseat of a car. I mean screwing as in she's going to prison one way or another. Her reputation, speaking of irreparable harm to reputation, you destroyed your reputation. Because one of the things you said during your interview to become a district judge appointed by Trump is what would happen if you had a conflict of interest. You said, I would gladly recuse myself if I had a conflict of interest. You had a conflict of interest here, now. Why didn't you recuse yourself? Why didn't you walk away? Because you're a liar, Cannon. Those two reasons, and I'm sure there are many myriad of more, is why we can't trust you, and we shouldn't trust you as a federal judge. The appointment of a special master, you didn't do it because you're trying to make sure the FBI did and DOJ got everything in a row. You did it to protect Donald Trump. You've shown that you're not about the law. You're about protecting your God, your master, your king, Donald Trump. And if I go on Google and search right now, I am willing to bet dollars to donuts we're going to see a photo of you right next to Trump. Quite frankly, and quite simply, I'm calling for you to leave the federal bench, the judge's bench now. Because you've shown to me, and you've shown to the rest of this country, that the law isn't your number one priority. It's protecting Trump. Sooner or later, it's going to come out. It's bound to come out. You're going. I don't think you're going to go to prison or anything because that's probably not going to happen. But your career as a judge is damaged. I'm going to personally, and the rest of this country are going to personally see to that once the facts actually do come out. But for right now, you, Judge Aileen Cannon, are nothing more than
a Rudy Poo candy ass.
CTP, know the truth, God bless. Peace to the left, justice to the right.